Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Daily Scope. I hope you all are doing well. Today, I want to share something very interesting and important with you. A big asteroid is going to pass very close to our Earth on May 24th. You might have heard about it in the news or online. So, the big question is, should we be worried about this? What exactly is an asteroid? How dangerous can it be? And what are scientists doing about it? In this video, I will explain everything in simple words. So, stay with me till the end, because there are many interesting facts that you don't want to miss. First, let me tell you what an asteroid really is. Asteroids are basically large rocks or small objects that orbit the Sun, mostly found between Mars and Jupiter in a place called the asteroid belt. But sometimes, some asteroids move out of this belt and come close to Earth. When they come near Earth, they are called near-Earth objects, or NEOs. Some of these asteroids are very small, like a pebble, and some are very big, hundreds of meters or even kilometers long. The asteroid we are talking about today is called 2003 MH4. It was discovered many years ago, in 2003, as the name suggests. This asteroid is about 150 meters long. To help you understand the size, imagine 3 football fields put together. That is about how long this asteroid is. It is moving in space at an incredible speed of about 14 kilometers per second. That means in 1 second, it travels 14 kilometers. This is really fast compared to anything we experience here on Earth. NASA and other space agencies around the world keep a close eye on such asteroids because they can be dangerous if they come too close to Earth. When an asteroid's orbit crosses Earth's orbit, and it is big enough to cause serious damage, scientists call it a potentially hazardous asteroid. This doesn't mean it will hit Earth for sure, but it means we need to watch it carefully. Now, why should we care about asteroids? Well, history shows us some scary events caused by asteroids in the past. One of the recent and most famous examples is the Chelyabinsk event in 2013. A small asteroid, about 20 meters wide, entered the Earth's atmosphere and exploded over the Russian city of Chelyabinsk. The explosion caused a bright flash, a big shock wave, and shattered windows across the city. Over 1,500 people were injured, mostly due to broken glass and the shock wave. This event reminded us how even a relatively small asteroid can cause significant damage. Even earlier, in 1908, there was a much bigger event known as the Tunguska event. An asteroid or a comet exploded in the sky over a remote area in Siberia, Russia. The explosion flattened about 2,000 square kilometers of forest, knocking down millions of trees. Fortunately, very few people lived in that area, so the human loss was minimal. But this event shows how dangerous asteroids can be if they hit populated areas. Because of these past events, scientists take asteroid monitoring very seriously. They have developed special programs and technology to find and track asteroids. For example, NASA has a program called the Near-Earth Object Program, which is focused on discovering and tracking objects that come near Earth. They use powerful telescopes located on Earth and also space telescopes and satellites to detect asteroids as early as possible. When an asteroid is found, scientists calculate its orbit, speed, size, and other details to figure out if it might pose any threat to Earth in the future. This helps them prepare and plan ways to protect our planet. So, what would happen if an asteroid actually hits Earth? The damage depends on the size and speed of the asteroid. Small asteroids usually burn up in the atmosphere and cause a beautiful meteor or shooting star, which is harmless. Medium-sized asteroids can cause explosions in the air or small craters on the ground. Large asteroids, like the one believed to have caused the extinction of dinosaurs 65 million years ago, can cause massive destruction, fires, tsunamis, and even change the climate for years. To protect Earth from such dangers, scientists are working on asteroid deflection missions. One famous example is NASA's DART mission. DART stands for Double Asteroid Redirection Test. In this mission, NASA sent a spacecraft to crash into a small asteroid to try and change its path. The idea is that if we can push an asteroid just a little bit away from Earth-US path, it will miss the planet entirely. This is a big step forward in planetary defense. Now, coming back to asteroid 2003 MH4, NASA has said that this asteroid will pass safely near Earth on May 24th. There is no immediate danger or chance of collision at this time. However, scientists will keep monitoring its path to make sure it stays safe. Sometimes the orbits of asteroids can change due to gravitational forces from planets or other objects, so continuous observation is important. In conclusion, space is full of many objects moving around, and some come close to Earth. While most of them are harmless, some can be dangerous. Thanks to modern technology and the work of scientists around the world, we have a good system in place to find and watch these asteroids. This helps keep our planet safe. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments which space topics you want me to cover next. I love hearing from you all. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.